What if I told you that eating just one tomato every day for 7 days could quietly change your skin, your heart, your digestion, and even how your body fights disease? No supplements, no detox teas, just tomatoes. But the real surprise happens around day 4, and most people never notice it until it's too late. Let's break it down, day by day. By day 1, your body is flooded with vitamin C, potassium, and powerful antioxidants, especially something called lycopene. Lycopene starts hunting down free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage your cells and speed up aging. Your digestion may feel lighter, your gut bacteria begin to rebalance, and your body starts releasing excess sodium, helping reduce bloating and water retention. This is your system warming up. By day 3, the changes start showing on the outside. Your skin begins to look brighter. That's because tomatoes support collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and glow. At the same time, their natural acids gently cleanse your system. Many people notice fewer cravings and more stable energy levels because tomatoes help regulate blood sugar spikes. But now, things get interesting. Around day 4, tomatoes start working deep inside your bloodstream. Lycopene helps lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation in blood vessels, supporting heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Meanwhile, your immune system gets stronger, making it easier for your body to fight infections. This is why tomatoes are often linked to lower risk of heart disease. Your body is now fully in repair mode. By day 6, your digestive system feels smoother and more regular. Tomatoes contain natural fiber and water that support bowel movement and gut health. Your liver also benefits, helping filter toxins more efficiently. That heavy feeling many people carry after meals, it starts to fade. But one final change happens on day 7. After 7 days, your body has built a strong antioxidant shield. Regular tomato intake is linked to reduced risk of certain cancers, slower aging, and improved eye health. Your cells are better protected, your inflammation levels are lower, and your body functions more smoothly overall. Simple food, powerful impact. So the real question is, how many tomatoes are you eating each week? If this surprised you, like and share this video. Follow for more food science your body will thank you for. And remember, sometimes the strongest medicine is already in your kitchen.